Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to change date of birth in Gmail account. So what you need to do first thing is open the Gmail application. Once you're at the Gmail inbox page, you tap on your profile icon on the top right, tap that. Once you're at this page, you tap on manage your Google account. This will direct you to this page where you will be able to make changes to your Google account. On this page, you need to swipe left and there you need to tap on data and privacy, tap that. In the data and privacy section, you scroll down until you find the option info you can share with others. There you tap on profile. So profile is the page where you have your basic info like your name, your address, your gender, birthday, contact information. We're going to change the birth date, so tap on that option. So here is the place where you can change your date of birth. I'm just gonna make a random change over here. Type in the date and year. So I'm gonna type in 1993. Once all that is done, you can tap on save to save the changes. Tap that. You're 30 years old. Is that correct? Tap on confirm. And with that, your birthday will get updated. You can see the birth date have been changed. So this is a way how you can change the date of birth in Gmail account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.